Welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about why is the old cars is better than the new cars in today's world of advanced technology and automation. Modern cars are packed with features like touch screens, driver assist systems, and fuel-efficient engines. However, many car enthusiasts argue that older cars are still superior in several ways. One of the biggest advantages of old cars is their durability. Built with solid metal bodies and simpler mechanical parts, classic vehicles were designed to last for decades. Unlike modern cars that rely on plastic components and electronic sensors that often fail, old cars have a reputation for reliability and can often be repaired with basic tools. This makes them more cost-effective in the long run since maintenance is easier and replacement parts are generally cheaper compared to the high-tech components of new cars. Another reason why old cars are better than new ones is the driving experience. Modern cars are heavily assisted by electronics, which can take away the thrill of driving. Older cars, on the other hand, offer a raw and engaging experience where the driver has full control over the vehicle. Manual transmissions, responsive steering, and mechanical feedback allow for a connection between the driver and the machine that is often missing in new cars. In contrast, modern vehicles focus too much on comfort and convenience, making driving feel more like operating a gadget rather than enjoying the road. The cost of ownership is another major factor. New cars depreciate rapidly in value, losing a significant percentage of their worth within the first few years. Older cars, especially classic or well-maintained models, tend to hold their value and, in some cases, even appreciate over time. This makes them a better investment in the long run. Additionally, insurance for older vehicles is usually cheaper compared to modern cars packed with expensive technology that increases repair costs. Simplicity is also a key advantage of old cars. Unlike modern vehicles filled with complex software and sensors that require specialized diagnostics, old cars can often be repaired and maintained by their owners. Mechanics find it easier to work on them, and DIY repairs are more accessible to car enthusiasts. This simplicity means fewer chances of electronic failures, which are a common issue in today's computer-controlled cars. Modern vehicles may provide convenience, but they also introduce more points of failure, leading to costly repairs and frustrations. Lastly, the character and uniqueness of old cars make them stand out. Unlike the uniform designs of many new models, classic cars have distinctive styling, timeless designs, and a sense of personality that is hard to find in today's mass-produced automobiles. From their roaring engines to their vintage interiors, old cars offer an emotional and nostalgic appeal that modern vehicles simply can't replicate. Owning an old car is not just about transportation, it's about preserving history and enjoying the true essence of driving. While new cars come with advanced features and safety improvements, old cars remain unmatched in durability, driving pleasure, affordability, and character, making them a favorite among true car lovers.